All right, let's take a look at UA.I.B.K4. And this is an important one. It's probably one of the most important ones in the entire regulation. And it deals with the responsibility and authority of the remote pilot in command. All right, and the regulation that covers this is FAR 10719B. And in this regulation, it states the remote pilot in command is directly responsible for and is the final authority as to the operation of the small unmanned aircraft system, right? Not air traffic control, not your client, not your business partner. The remote pilot in command is the one who is directly responsible for the operation and is the final authority regarding that operation. Now, on test day, you are probably going to be getting some questions that will be worded in various different ways. And in fairness, they probably are trying to throw you off because the FAA wants to make sure that you understand this. And they'll give you a scenario, and there's a whole bunch of different combinations that it can be, but it's something along the lines of they're going to want to know who's responsible for this, or who's the authority on this, or who's the final authority, something like that. They basically, who's at fault if something goes wrong in this scenario. Again, they're going to word that in different ways, but it's going to be something along those lines. And then they're going to give you some options that are going to look very tempting. If one of those options is remote piloting command, that is your correct answer. So they're going to, I can almost guarantee you're going to get some because the FAA wants to make sure that you understand that you as the remote pilot in command are the one who is the final authority as to the operation of this. And they'll ask you questions to make sure that you know that.